Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Anwar, and this is our channel, Mohammed Anwar, and Education for Us All. Welcome to our kitchen once more, where, as you can see, there is a whole host of ingredients, and the main one is keema. So it is going to be a masala keema dish, and as you can see, it will have potatoes in it. It will have peas in it and eggs, as perhaps you've not seen before. नाजरीन खुश आमदीद, मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल मोहम्मद अतीक अनवर एन एजुकेशन फॉर अस ऑल। जैसा देख सकते हैं बहुत से इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, तो इसका मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है जी कीमा। आज होगा कीमा मसाला डिश, जिसमें होंगे आलू, मटर और अंडे। ओके, फिर आप प्लीज़ मुकम्मल देखिए, क्योंकि एग्स जो हैं ये कुछ और तरीके से डाले जाएंगे। ओके, लेट्स begin by heating some oil. So we have some oil here. Can we put the onions in there, please? So there's 3 medium-sized onions going in. So I'm going to let those soften for around about 5 minutes. So the onions have browned nicely, so we'll add the next ingredients, which, as you know, we freeze. So we have some chili flakes there. Sorry, we have some crushed chili, garlic and ginger. The garlic and ginger is some paste form and some fresh as well. Okay, so this needs to be put in early to get the flavours in. Okay, don't put them in later because they may not soften enough. And at the same time we can put some garlic cloves in as well. So this is optional, of course. So we're putting around about 10 garlic cloves because we love garlic. Okay, so the chilies etc. have blended in. We're now ready for our main ingredient, which is keema mixed. So we're going to mix that really well for around about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so this is a crucial part. Mix that in really well, and we are going to cover it and cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so the keema has cooked nicely. Put some tomatoes in there. We'll put the potatoes in at the same time, I think, because they take a while to cook. Okay, so this is coming on nicely. Give that a 5 to 10 minutes cook. That is coming along really nicely, and the masalas have gone in. Sorry, I should have introduced those. We have paprika, we have garam masala, we have salt to taste. They were all about 1.5 tablespoons. Can we put peas in as well, please? Okay, so this has been cooking for a while. This is the final thing to go in, which is peas. So this should be ready in about 10 minutes. So we'll let it cook for a further 10 minutes or so. That is coming on, and believe me, the aroma is quite something. Okay, so we will let that cook for 10 more minutes. So as you can see, we've covered the lid there, viewers, and allowing it to cook a lot more. So whilst that's going on, we're going to cook the final ingredient, or the secret ingredient as I call it. What we need to do is to to separate the white and the yolk. So I have this implement that seems to work quite well. Okay, so we think the white is there, and the yolk is going to go over there. Okay, and we're going to do that with all 3 eggs. So as you can see, viewers, the white has been separated to the best of my ability, and the yolk. So we're going to give that a good whisk. So we're not going to add any spices to that because there's already lots in the keema. Okay, so we're going to cook the egg white there in the pan and try to keep it that shape. Okay, once it starts cooking you can break it up into small bits, so as you can see that is cooking nicely. We're going to break that up into tiny pieces. Okay, so the egg white is ready there. And now we're going to cook the yolk. Okay, give that a good whisk. And we're going to cook that as well. So, as always, this is really good for kids because they like the different colours within it. Okay, so once that starts to cook, then we can begin to break it up. So, I forgot to mention, viewers, you don't need to cook this 100%, so even if it's 75%, then it will cook once it's in the main keema dish. Okay, viewers, so the next thing to do is to make that into really small pieces, because that's going to go into the keema. So that and the white. Once we've done that, then we're going to put it into the keema, and then our dish is almost complete. And there we have it. So we are going to put eggs on top. These are fully cooked, so we're going to just use it as garnishing. So there is the egg yolk going on. Can we have the egg white? There you have it. That is a lovely masala keema and eggs dish. We'll give it a little bit of a mix. Shall we give this a bit of a mix so that it, just in case it isn't cooked. We think the eggs are cooked, but just in case we'll cook it for a minute or so. And there we have it. Okay, as I say, this is another way of making kids eat eggs. It really is lovely. All that remains to do is to do garnishing. And there we have it, viewers, my masala keema curry keema dish with eggs. I do hope you're going to try it, viewers. You can't believe the aroma that there is, and I think it will taste lovely as well. So it just remains for me to say thank you for watching. Hopefully you will be watching fully. Please share the link with all the people on your social media. Until the next time, look after yourselves, look after others. Goodbye. Nazreen उम्मीद है आप ये simple सी कीमा masala dish with andas you will try, and you will share the channel with other people. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.